Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets here in the Florida Panhandle and surrounding areas. And today on Farmers Market Tips and Tricks, I want to talk about choosing the right market for you. As a vendor, there is a lot of stuff you got to consider for a market. You got to consider your equipment, your products, your tents, your tables, all the stuff that goes with being a vendor at a market. But one of the things that's overlooked is the market itself. As a vendor, you want to look for a market that is compatible for what you're selling, that's compatible for the person that you are. Every market kind of has a different vibe, a different atmosphere. You want to look for a market that's friendly to the vendors, easy to work with, that's organized, that also communicates out to the community, advertises well. You don't want to go to a market where you're kind of walking on eggshells, where you don't feel comfortable, you can't really get settled in. How you find that out is kind of through the vendor pipeline, through talking to other vendors, talking to customers, finding out which markets that they enjoy working, and you can kind of get an idea in a sense of the market. So when you're setting up, looking for a market, definitely talk, reach out, get to know the people that run the market, get to know the vendors that are at the market, and you'll get a real sense of whether that market is a right fit for you or whether it's a market that maybe you don't want to be a part of. So when it comes to being successful, think about the market as much as you think about the equipment and stuff that you do. It'll really make a difference. We can't wait to see you guys at your local markets. Please make sure you subscribe, like our channel, and if you have any questions, please reach out at us at anchoredmarketventures.com, and we can't wait to see you guys at your local market.